Hey guys, so welcome to my channel. So I'm doing an unboxing video of the O-Cedar microfiber bucket mop that I saw on TikTok. Yes, TikTok made me bought this. So I got this from Amazon and it was 30 bucks, but with my discount and everything I paid like 25 for it. So yeah, so this is an open box video. This is not how it works, so I will do a separate video on how I mop my floor with this. And also, but today we're just gonna do open box video and see what comes with this box. So this comes pretty quickly from Amazon if you have Prime. Yeah. So this is the bucket. Okay. Okay. So let me bring you more down. So this is the handle that comes. I guess this go in here. Not guess, but it does go in here. Okay. So that's that. It came with the manual. Like so. Okay. And then it came with one microfiber mop. So I guess if you want more, you can purchase more. I guess, yeah, but it only comes one. Yeah, that's it. And then the bucket itself. So yeah, so this is the pedal. As I press this, it kind of spins like that. So this is this, and I'm not sure. Okay, it looks like this side right here. Okay, it goes this way. Okay, I guess it snaps. Okay. All right. All right, so this is it. So yes, I guess you can extend this. You can extend this as far. Yes, this as far as it goes. Yeah, it said extendable, but how far does it go? This is how far I pulled it. This is how far it went. So can you see? Yeah, how far this went. So you put it in here and everything. So you guys, this is just a demo. And yes, I'm not in the mood of cleaning right now, but tomorrow I will do a video on how to use this, stuff like that, if it really worth the 25 bucks that I actually pay for this. But it does feel really good. The microfiber and everything like that, it really feels, yeah, this. So hopefully we that have like wood floors and everything, this will really work, because I was using a mop to mop my floor, which I really didn't have a problem with it or whatsoever. So I just want to try this. That is more fancier than the usual mop. So yeah, so you store this right in here like that. So, and the manual usually it says microfiber easy rink. So yeah, tell you fill buckets to the max line and place mop inside the bucket. Place wet mop inside the widger and hold loosely handle vertically. Push pedal to customize. Store bucket in dry conditions. So it tells you pretty much what to do, and it also tells you how to wash it. Here you can wash it in a washing machine. It gives you options to do so and things like that. So it tells you, yeah, step on the microfiber strand and pull handle up to separate base. And machine or hand wash in warm water and lay flat to dry. To replace, align microfiber mop head with base and push down until it snaps securely in place. So it basically tells you everything that you really need to know. And here I did the demo before even watching because it was so simple to put together. So yes guys, and then I guess this is the other brands of this company, as you can see. So yes guys, this is the open box. Like I said, if I can find a link, I will put it there, but you guys know I'm terrible at doing links. But once you put in the O-Cedar microfiber, what's in it, it should come up on Amazon. So don't depend on me too much about the link. Okay, so you guys, so just want to show you the open box. You know, it's easy to carry as well. You know you got a bucket and everything, but sometimes you just got to treat your kitchen. You know, make your what's the name treatment. $25 ain't that bad. You know, if it was like 40 and I wasn't gonna do it, but with the discount and everything, 25 ain't that bad. Treat your kitchen once a year or 2 or 3 times a year. Okay. All right, you guys, I'll see you guys on my next one. So watch out for the next video on how this actually works. Okay, so I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye bye.
Bye.